Hey Retro Babes, it's GOOGii. I'm your favorite Afrofuturistic Retro Babe and your favorite YouTuber. Let's not forget that. And today, I am making a record wall. Yeah. So this one is gonna have 100% no damage, like this one, except for the two nails I have in there to hang those two up. 100% no damage to your records or to your wall, which is important. Y'all, you don't want to fuck up your records. You don't, especially if you're like me that buy records, albums, not just because of the music, you buy the albums because of the art, and it's on your wall because you love the way they look. So why would you ruin it? What if you have to move? Y'all be gluing your albums to your wall, and it's just disrespectful to me and my homegirls, and I don't like that. But first, we have to go pick up some albums to put on our album wall because I don't have enough. So we're gonna go and get some more. So this is my outfit of the day. My hair, I showed you guys how to do in my last video. I have this hat I got from Shein. This shirt, I think I got from Five Below, like forever ago, but I mean, you could Google like Coca-Cola shirt and find it. These pants, they have cute little hearts on them. They're from Shein, but honestly, you could just buy some pants at the thrift store or recycle any pants in your house and just get like a heart sponge and some paint and just paint your pants. Whenever I go out with those pants on, people always ask me if I made them anyway, so you don't have to like spend extra money. And the bag I have is from Brandon Blackwood. She has been through a lot, y'all. She is shedding, yes. But I do have an unboxing video for this bag. I want another one because poor baby has been through a lot. I haven't showed you the outfit. Let's get going.
Hey baby, David Bowie's back. That Bowie is staying early, man.
Lappy. So cute. So you guys know I'm a DIY crafty bitch. I'm also a bitch who does not like to use nails. I don't like to patch things up. I like things easy, quick, crafty, and cheap. I have these two records right here, but I think I was just in a rush that day or something. I don't fucking know, but I put them up in a way that's gonna damage them, which upsets me. I should have just waited until I could get the right supplies to do it the right way. Anyway, this is a no damage record wall. No damage to your wall, no damage to your records, and you'll be able to replace them and change them out as you want to. And I like this method because you'll be able to play them, because some people like glue them to their walls and they're not able to play them. Like, obviously I could take the record out now, like so, but I can do this without damaging the wall. That's what we're gonna do. And for cheap. So let's go get the supplies. These are the records I got. They put it in this cute pizza bag. I thought that was so cute. The record store was so adorable. I love the owner. I love the other lady who works there. I love the vibe of it. It gives GOOGii vibes. Very campy, very colorful, very 60s and 70s mod. I love it. Anyway, so these were the records that I got. I only got two because I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm like frugal when it comes to records. I don't like spending more than $5 per record, especially since most of them are scratched up and they're old. They're like artifacts, okay? Not ancient, but still an artifact. So anyway, the first one I got was this Aretha Franklin one. It's so cute, and it's actually pretty good quality. I don't see any scratches or any marks. And that's the back. And I think this one was, yep, $5.99 for this album. And this is the, I think this is the Who Zoom and Who album. And there we go. That's so cute. I love that. It's nicely protected. It actually feels like it's in very good condition. So I didn't mind paying $6 for this one. And it came in this protective casing, which I really like. Now this one I splurged a little bit on, but it's totally worth it. I don't even think it has been opened before. It's brand spanking new, and it just goes with the whole theme of my apartment, especially you guys knowing that I did a horror wall. By the way, if you want to see how I did the horror wall, just click up there. Look at this. It's the Rocky Horror Picture Show album. Oh my God. I apologize for the glare. Look at that. You see Frankenfurter, Riff Raff. I love it so much. And then on the back, that's what the back looks like. I think I'm just gonna hang this as art. I don't think I will ever play it. I want to hang this with my horror wall. I don't think I'm gonna hang it back there because I just feel like this one needs to shine on its own. So anyway, those are the two records I got. Like I said, I normally go more ham with it, but these records at that store I went to were newer and better quality, so they were a little bit more on the pricier side, where I'm used to buying records that are a little scratched up, a little well-loved, and they're normally like 99 cents to like $5. I have not decided what other records I want to put up there. I think I want to put this Denise Williams album because she just looks so pretty. Like, look at that outfit, boss. And then I have this Pointer Sisters album I have not listened to yet, and I got this one earlier this year, probably around like April. But I love this one. I just want bad bitches, as you can see. I have the Shannon and I have the Linda Ronstadt. I want bad bitches on this wall, so we're putting bad bitches on the wall. So I did this the very cheap way, very cheap way, and I just went to Dollar Tree and I got 2 of these. You can go and get the command strips. They'll probably hold up better because this says it holds up to 0.2 pounds. So I don't know how long it's gonna stay up. Fingers crossed it stays up a while. So these are the hooks. What I'm gonna do is put 3 of each on each album just to give it more hold, since it says it only holds 0.2. But like if you use a command strip, I've done this before with my other wall, you only need 2. So 1 pack will give you 3 albums. 2 packs will give you 6 albums. 6 albums hung up for about $3 is pretty cheap to me. If you use the command strips, you can probably do more since you only need 2 of them. And so honestly, it pans out to be the same amount when you think about it. I could have just went with the command strips, but I didn't. But yeah, these are the ones. Let me put it up close so you could see what they are. And this is the way you're gonna do it with no damage to your wall or to your records. So I never used these ones before. I've only used the command strips before, but they already come stuck to it and you just have to peel off the back, which is actually really convenient. So what I'm gonna do is just stick the album in there like so. And like I said, I'm gonna do 3 of them just to make sure it stays. 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna peel the backs off and I'm gonna stick it to the wall. So this is my little corner. I'm obsessed. It was so easy. It took not even that long at all. I was able to switch them out, as you saw, to my liking, and I think I'm gonna add some more up as I go, but that's my wall. That's my DIY. If you like this, please share, tell a friend, subscribe for more DIYs. I do easy DIYs. Easy. Emphasis on easy, because we're crafty bitches. We make it work.